Hey lovies, welcome back to my original OGs, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here, and I appreciate you guys taking valuable time out of your day to spend with me. If you have some cleaning to do or just need some motivation, or if you just like watching cleaning videos like I do, well, this is the place to be. This video is packed with tons of cleaning motivation. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This literally took me all day, but I got it done. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I love to chat with you guys. Let me know if you just found my channel and how you found me, or anything like how is your day going or whatever. What is the weather like where you live? Okay, let me stop rambling. Let's jump right into it and tackle our messes now. So in case you guys are wondering what I'm looking at, well, I was looking at the TV. I found this new series on Netflix that I was watching, and it literally had me pulling all nighters just to watch the series. But thankfully, it's finished now. I literally just finished it, and I got to edit this video. But yeah, that's what I was looking at. So really quickly guys, a little bit about myself. If you are new here, my name is Tarisha. I'm a stay-at-home wife and mom of two beautiful girls. I have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old, and on this channel you can find tons of cleaning motivation. I upload a cleaning video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a shop with me on Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're anything like me who loves to watch cleaning videos and love to go browsing and shopping, even if you don't buy anything, but just to see what they have new in the store, then definitely this is the place to be. I love you guys and thank you again for being here. Okay, friends, as we're about to approach the end of this video, I want to thank you guys so much for sticking with me if you're still here. And if you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, please do consider subscribing if you haven't yet, and join the community. Also, feel free to share it with a friend or family member, somebody who might need some motivation if you found this video helpful. And please do give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Also, guys, please do leave me a comment down below. And until next time, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and if I bless you, I love you guys. And again, thank you so much for being here.